Welcome to the channel Professor Da Vinci. Chord. Today we are going to discuss about chord. What is a chord? Suppose if I have a circle and I draw a line. Okay. Now, the chord means a straight line joining 2 points on the circumference. Suppose I have one point here. I have another point here. This is I say this point is A and this point is B, right? So the straight line which connects 2 points on the circumference is called a chord. Okay, right? Now, if I take a line, the diameter which is passes through the center, a straight line passes through the center and connecting the 2 points on the circumference is also called a chord, but in other words it is a diameter. So let me explain, let me write the definition of the chord. Chord of a circle is any straight line connecting 2 points on the circumference. For example, here the line AB is a chord. The line AB is a chord, and also C as in the CD. Then what is the diameter? Diameter also connects the 2 points on the circumference. Okay, but we have the name diameter. So the diameter is a special kind of chord which is the longest chord, longer than any other chord. If you measure the distance between the line AB, the distance between AB and the distance between CD, if we find distance, the distance will be CD is always greater than AB. Any other chord, any other line you draw, suppose for example I draw a chord like this from here to here, or from here to here, or from here to here, which is not passing through the center. Whatever the chord I draw, but it will never be equal to the diameter. So a diameter is a special type of chord that passes through the center of the circle, and it is the longest than any other chord. Okay, understand what is the meaning of the chord? Okay, right. Now coming to this point, consider 2 points. Now I'm going to explain more detail about the chord AB. So consider the 2 points A and B on the circumference of the circle C. So this is the circumference of the circle C. With AB as a chord shown in the diagram. So this is AB. So if I mark any point on the circumference and I join the 2 points, then the line joining the 2 points is a chord, obviously, right? The center of the circle is a O. Then now I'm going to draw the center. So the center of the circle, so this is the center of the circle. This name is O. Okay. Now for our simplicity, I just move this chord away. Okay, I just redrawn for clear understanding. So this is the AB is the point in the circumference, and the line joining the AB is a chord, and we have the center 0. Okay, now the center 0, I mean the angle bisect of angle AOB intersects the chord at M. Okay, that means for I just draw a line. Okay, this point is M, this point is M. That means I draw a perpendicular line which bisects the line AB. Okay, so here what is the meaning of bisects? Bisects means dividing the line into two halves. Bisect means bisect means dividing the line into two halves, that is called bisect or bisector. Now what happens, from the center I draw a perpendicular line which divides the line into two equal halves AB. Okay, that is called bisects. Then the point where the bisect is M, as I showed in the figure. Okay, now once the line bisects, now let me draw a small triangle. Let me draw another line connecting AO and BO or OB. Okay, now OAM and OBM are congruent triangle. What is the meaning of congruent triangle? Congruent triangle means if the two triangles have the same size, all the three sides must be same and all the three angles must be same, that is identical triangle. So if two triangles are said to be identical to each other, then the two triangles are called congruent triangle. So if line bisects the line AB at M, then it generates or it produces or it creates two congruent triangle, that is the AOM and MOB is a two triangle, right? Then if it is a congruent triangle, then we can say OA and OB are same length because what? Because C is the radii, because OA and OB are the radii. Okay, OA, because this is center of the line, right? So this is a OA and OB are radius. So OA and OB have same length, and then OM is common. Obviously OM is the common to both triangle. OM is both common. Okay, then if OM is common to both and both the triangle are congruent or identical, then we can say that OM is the mirror, right? OM is the mirror. This is a fact about chord. Now, and the fourth one is the angle AOM. The angle AOM and the angle BOM. Angle OM or BOM, AOM and BOM are same. I mean this angle is both are same because it is the OM is a line bifurcating the line AB. So obviously it produces the angle are same because the OM is the angle bisects the angle AOM. Moreover, this OM bisects the angle OAB. Okay, so that is the meaning, both are, so that is the meaning AOM and the BOM are same. Since both triangle have two sides and include the angle, then the two triangles are congruent. As a result, AM and the BM are equal length. Of course, what is the bifurcation? Bifurcation means what? It divides the line to two. So we have this AM is equal to the length AM equal to the length BM, and the angle AOM is equal to angle BOM. So this is the reason, because the angle is bifurcated. Okay, good. Now this is the equal to each other. So the midpoint M of the chord AMO, angle AMO is equal to the angle BMO, and it is equal to 90 degree, because the OM is the perpendicular line between the two, perpendicular line drawn to AB. This is often stated that the perpendicular line from the center of the chord, so this line is often stated that the perpendicular line is often stated that perpendicular line from the center to the chord. Okay, now the midpoint of the chord is joined to the center of the circle. Okay, that means what? The perpendicular line of the chord is the midpoint of the chord M. So now recall the concept of perpendicular bisector, which is the locus of all points equidistant from 2 points. The perpendicular bisector of the chord will pass through the center. So whenever you draw a perpendicular line to this chord, always that perpendicular line will pass through the center. Okay, these are the some facts you need to remember. What is the one? Whenever you draw a perpendicular line to the chord, the perpendicular line always pass through the center. Okay, if I draw suppose for example any other line, this line, suppose this one, this is a CM. Okay, this CM also bifurcates the line AB, but this is not passing through. If the line is not passing through the center, that is a CM is not passing through the center, that means the angle CMB or CMA is not perpendicular. So when the line will be perpendicular? Whenever a line passes through the center, then it always creates the perpendicular to the chord 90 degree. Okay, right? If you are given the coordinates of ends of the chord, then it is possible to find the equation of the straight line that passes through the center. So obviously, if you are given the coordinates of the endpoint, if for example, if I was given the coordinates of A and B, and easily I can find the equation of the straight line which passes through the center. Also the straight line bifurcates the chord. Now if you are given the coordinate of the endpoints of the chord, then it is possible to find the equation of the straight line that passes through the center using the following process. How can I find the equation of the straight line which passes through the center? First, find the gradient of the chord. So first find the gradient of chord, and second find the gradient of the perpendicular to the chord, gradient of perpendicular to chord. Number 3, find the midpoint of the chord. Find the midpoint of the chord. Find the midpoint of chord. Number 4, substitute the gradient M to the M of the perpendicular and the xy coordinate of the midpoint is in the formula. So once you find all these ones, substitute the gradient m and the coordinates x1 and y1 to this formula. If you substitute those above findings to this formula, you will get the equation of this line. Okay, right? So this is the introduction about the chord. So repeating once again, what is a chord? Chord is the straight line joining the 2 points which is on the circumference. So here, if I point at 2 points in the circumference, I draw a line joining these 2 points, then the line joining the 2 points on the circumference is called a chord. The second, the diameter is also a chord, but it is the special chord which is the longest of all the chords available in the circle, and it always pass through the center. That is the diameter, right? And the third one, whenever we draw a bifurcation of the chord which is passes through the circle, which is passes through the center of the circle, then the line will create a two equal and identical triangle, that is congruent triangle. And once that triangle is formed, then it is very easy to find the line equation of the perpendicular, or you can find the equation of the straight line which passes through the center, that is OM. This is OM. So we can, once the chord is formed, and if we know the coordinates of the endpoints of the chord, that is A and B, we can able to find the line equation of the line which bifurcates the chord and passes through the center of the line. And moreover, if the bifurcate, if the perpendicular line of if any line bifurcates the chord and the line passes through the center, it always produces the 90 degree. It always produces the 90 degree with the chord, that is perpendicular to the chord. Okay, these are the introduction and the theory behind the chord. Clear? Now, once we know the chord, we can able to find the line equation. How we can able to find the line equation? Find the gradient of the chord, gradient of the perpendicular line, find the midpoint of the chord, and if you have these three value, or if you found these three, and substitute these three things in the formula, y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. So this is the straight line of the line, perpendicular line to the chord. Clear? See you, bye bye. Have a great day.